Hey friends, how are you? Okay, so this weekend we are having a nice getaway. We are going to Goriška Brda. If you don't know it, you will see it. It's beautiful. It's, I think, one of the most beautiful places in Slovenia. It's in Slovenia, yes. And I desperately need a break. So yeah, this is gonna be a very nice getaway, and I have also like officially opened my business, secondhand online clothing store. I just need a day or two, for my online store to really get running. It's actually a ton of work that I didn't anticipate. I think I'm gonna do the behind the scenes, how should you prepare for starting a business? What things, like to really do some stuff like before you really register a business so you don't waste any day, because now I've wasted basically 7 days, which is a pity, but hey, I could be making money this time. Anyways, we have stopped in Ajdovština. My husband has some work, not work, some stuff to do here. So I'm just waiting in the car. I'm not driving. And then we are going there. I don't know what's like the plan because check-in is only like at 2 o'clock, something like that. And now it's around, I have no idea what's the time actually. I don't know where to look at it because I'm filming this on my phone. So I think it's around 9. And I just wanted to show you this top that I have. It's so beautiful. It's secondhand. I got it yesterday. I need coffee. We hadn't had the coffee today yet. I'm hungry actually. I'm craving pizza. I bought us wine, the sweet wine, because it's the only thing I drink. I don't drink the regular wine because they are just not tasty for my taste. And then we forgot it at home. So now we're gonna have to buy it there. And where we are going to Goriška Brda, it's famous for its wines and stuff, and fruits. Wines and fruits. Okay, I'm gonna finish now and I will talk to you later. Where are we? Guys, you're not gonna believe where we are. So behind me is a tower, a viewing tower, Gornjače or Goriška Brda, and here we are. Like, how amazing! And I think our apartment or hotel room is like near somewhere, and we're gonna have this view. Oh my god! I'm gonna take a ton of photos and everything. And now we're gonna go to the tower. Can you see this? Where is it? Yeah, here. So exciting. Okay, here we go. Oh my god, guys. There got a lot of stairs. Look. Oh my god, it's so high already. Oh crap. It's a great workout, but the views I know are gonna be amazing. Oh my god, we are at the top. Look at this. Here it is. Okay guys, so this is the amazing view, and you know what else we have noticed? It's shaking a bit. It's like floating, I have a feeling, no, stop doing that. I have a feeling we are on a boat, and as I'm walking, it's like, sliding. It's scary a bit, but yeah. So this is Šmartno. This is like the famous part of Goriška Brda, and this is, I think we are staying somewhere there. So yeah, this is, it's gonna be awesome. So cool. Guys, this is our second stop. We have come to the castle Dobrovo. It's here behind me. I hope we can get some coffee or something because I'm getting sleepy. But yeah, it's so beautiful. So this is the castle. And this is the view. Not bad, right? Like we came from Šmartno, and this is like proper city. They have post office, they have stores, so it's really like proper. So beautiful. Look at this. I mean, how cute is this? So now we're just going around and around to see what's happening here, to see what I offer here. This is gorgeous. Well, it's like yard. Oh, this is so beautiful. Oh, look at the palms. I love palms. I mean, this is one palm. So this is from another side, and now we are going here. And this is this yard that I've showed you before in my palm. One palm. Where is it? I can't see it. Oh yeah, it's here. And now I think we're going to grab a coffee. We have now entered this beautiful castle, and look at this. They have a museum here, but unfortunately it's been closed since September because of the renovation. Come on, like, how long? That's such a shame because, you know, I like museums and stuff. We're going back to Šmartno, where our hotel is, and we're gonna have coffee there. But it's very beautiful actually, so yeah. Welcome! So this is the small town Šmartno, where we are also staying. How cute it is! It's so cute. Okay, now we are waiting for the lady to come so we can go inside our room. And this town is so cute. It's so small. I just love it so much. Welcome to our hotel or apartment. So these are all art rooms. Yeah. So how beautiful. You know, it's really like the old style, which of course I love. So look at here. And the art, that's why they are called art rooms. And then we come here, you see the clothes, the paintings. And this is our room, number 4. Welcome. So first we have, you can enter the bathroom. Here is, you know, all the necessities we need. I really like how everything is put together. And this is so beautiful. And here we have the shower. Okay, and now how beautiful. Okay, here are our stuff, but I really like this, you know, the glasses, this fancy one, and here are some candies, which of course I'm gonna try. We have water in here. I like the slippers. This is always very nice. Let's see what we have. Let's go start this up. So here is the water, and yeah, we also have the juice. And this is all included in the price, which is very cool. Okay, here we go. And now the best part, the balcony. It's very small, but you know, it's cool. I can have, you know, photos taken here. It's very nice. And the view, of course. The view. The view is amazing. So yeah, this is our room. What do you guys think? We are in love. It's very beautiful. I have now changed into this beautiful, gorgeous dress, and it's secondhand. I actually got it yesterday, so I love it so much. It's beautiful, perfect for the summer. It's very hot today, so. We have come to Winery Belica, and we're gonna drink a bit. And this is the view. So we're gonna drink here and have some food. Okay, so first we're gonna have this as a starter. I have wine, bread, and look at this place. Cheers, guys. The food was amazing. Now we are waiting for the second part. Guys, look at this.
Ja samo minutku da vremena štimam.
Je dobro? Što ovo kod mene? Što? Okay, now we are having tiramisu with strawberries and coffee. We have eaten, the food was amazing. It was so good and tasty, like the starter, the main, the dessert. The dessert was amazing. The tiramisu was OMG. Oh guys, and look at this bag. This is vintage bag and I love it. And now, oh my God, I will show you the views from the other side. Here is this restaurant that we were at. How gorgeous. They also have rooms. And oh my God, they have the pool. I'm so angry I didn't make the reservation here. And now they are fully booked. Oh, Jesus. And here is the view. Gorgeous. Okay, now I am like pissed off that we didn't make the reservation here. Oh, Jesus. Okay, we are now walking a bit around this town, or should I say village. It's so beautiful. My God, look at this. And this is the Church of Saint Martin. Let's enter. We got this, the lavender. They have all natural stuff. Guys, welcome to Slovenian Tuscany. Oh yeah, baby. Oh, gorge. Hey. Hey. Oh, yoy. Hey guys. This is the museum. Oh, it's beautiful.
Prijetne so te friške roke, a obrazi, ko da jih preganja strah. Kako bo jeseni?
We have come back to grab some water and we're gonna continue walking. And as you can see, it's really cute here, but it's also a bit boring. You know, there are like no parties here. I mean, here is just, you know, if you really wanna taste wine and stuff like that, but not to get drunk, of course. Because this village is very, very small. So yeah, but I like it. How cute it is. Guys, it's so peaceful. Like, I think I'm the only one that's really loud in here. Oh, it's so beautiful. if you want to like relax your soul and body, you should definitely come here and probably reserve a place where they have a swimming pool. We made this mistake, actually I made this mistake of not reserving it, and we are like so hot. It's really hot. But yeah, like reserve a place with swimming pool and you're gonna have the most amazing time. Cherries everywhere. Goriška Brda are known for wines and fruits and of course cherries. Cheers guys. Good morning guys. It is 6:50 in the morning and I think we are the only one awake, so we are trying to be a bit, quiet. So yeah, it looks like an empty town village, but then later of course there will be people here. It's so cool. Oh, it's very windy. So this is now Museum of Brda Cellar. Wow, this is so cool. So beautiful. I like this. This is the outfit I'm having today. So this skirt, white tee, and then I have put this. I think it's so cool, like full of colors. If it's gonna be cold, I can just pop this up. And then I have this secondhand vintage bag and I just love it. I had it yesterday and I think I'm in love. So yeah, you can also take this off. And we are ready for day 2. All right guys, we've had breakfast as you saw. We got ready and now I think we're going to Italy because I'm looking for some fairs. I want to thrift, so we might find something. Okay friends, we have come to Italy. We are in Cividale, so now we are looking for this thrift market. I hope we'll find it. It's very beautiful here. It's of course different, but it's really nice. So yeah, well, I like everything basically. Guys, this is like proper welcome, to the city. I like that. Guys, we found it. It's here. I'm so happy. Now let's see what I got. Look at this. How beautiful. It's a bridge. And this is from the other side. How freaking beautiful. Like, that's insane. Guys, look how high it is. So there is a thrift market. And then here. Oh my God. I just cannot believe how beautiful it is. And a ton of people actually. Look at this huge church. Oh my God, this is enormous. So we have discovered something. Oh, there's more. That is so cool. Coffee time. Just had coffee in Cividale, and this is like, I don't know if this is a center or something, but it's really nice. The fountain and coffee shops everywhere and pizzerias and everything. I don't know, Italian cities are just different. I find them so relaxing, beautiful, cool, just so different than Slovenia. I just love it so much. The fountain and a ton of people, and the buildings are just, the architecture here is amazing. Now we have discovered another street, but this one is basically dead, like nothing is happening. So interesting. The cat. Hey baby, I love you. Heaven for me. We got some pastries from the gelateria, so now we're gonna try it. So this one, the first, was nothing special. Spaghetti. Prava krovna. Dobro, ne? Okay, let's see the number 2. I think this is chocolate. Oh, more chocolate. Let's see. This is cream and chocolate. The cream is good. Poi to? Tu chocolate. Sve crema je full dobro. And now I have the third one. This. This is like, I don't know, pastry. Donut was good and that's it. I'm disappointed actually. I got myself some ice cream. The first one is Veneziana, which is orange, chocolate and like cream, and then the below is meringue, which is egg whites, and I like that. Guys, you're not gonna believe we came to the winery Princic, and you know they have degustation of wines and some prosciutto and stuff, but the owner just went somewhere and he's gonna be back, and in the meantime we can grab some cherries. Like, how cool! Look at this. This is huge. Oh my god, this is amazing. This is how I actually imagined this place to be. Oh my god, this is huge. Now I have come at the top of their winery, and this is the view from one side. Oh my god, guys, I cannot describe to you like how happy I feel. I mean, it is like labor picking up the cherries because it's really hot. Oh my god, they also got apricot. Por Dios. They also got apricot. My god, I could just live here. Yeah, this is what I wanted to say. Like, picking the cherries or fruits is not easy, you know, especially now it's really hot and I'm not like even properly dressed, or I have flip-flops, which of course is not proper. But it's just so beautiful. It reminds me of Bosnia, you know, where my grandparents used to live. Oh, I love it so much. Hello, babies. Now we have come to Villa Vipože. It is another beautiful destination in Goriška Brda, and I will show you just in a bit. It is so fancy, like you know telenovelas as you see it. It's really, really beautiful. Like, you will see in just a second. Ta-da! I mean, it is so beautiful. Well, we cannot enter because it turns out they have some private party or whatever, and we can't get a drink. I'm actually a bit pissed because I really wanted to come here and just have coffee. But yeah, I'm just gonna breathe now and enjoy the view. Actually, you know, just to be happy that I'm here. Oh my god, look at the view. I mean, yes. So beautiful. Another coffee, another view. Well, today our breakfast looks like this. We got it in this box, like how cool. And we are just here by ourselves. It's so nice. Good morning, guys. It is our last day. And you know, I'm always just so miserable when we're going home. This is my outfit for today. I actually got this yesterday. It is secondhand and I love it. Oh my god. I don't want to leave. Like, it's so beautiful here. It's so peaceful, you know. And you know how it is when you go for a vacation. You just don't want to come back because it's just, you know, you just don't want to go back into this routine and work. Although now I am self-employed and now I do need to work my ass off. So yeah, I need to come back, but I'm just, I don't want to go back. So which viewings are better? I don't know. One last time. I'm so sad. No. She's trying to lock me in. Yeah, wywalem zakluczaj. Oh, perfetto. Now I'm really locked in. Too bad. We are back at our favorite hotel, San Martin, and we're sipping the last coffee. I know I'm a bit annoyed at, you know, saying that I don't want to go, but it's just so sad. I know everybody is like this. We made a fast pitch stop, so we are now going back, and here is Nova Gorica. How gorgeous. Like, this is insane. So beautiful.